How many books fit on a tablet? We're going to take a look at this problem today. Suppose you have a tablet with a capacity of 22 gigabytes. For a plain text book, 1 byte typically corresponds to 1 character, and an average page consists of 2,000 characters. Assuming all 22 gigabytes on this tablet are used for just regular text books, we're going to try to answer the page. How many pages can it hold? And then how many 500-page books can it hold? So we're going to do this in a dimensional analysis process. The first thing we're going to write down is the 22 gigabytes in one tablet. Now, the next thing we're going to pull out of the text is we're going to say, listen, I don't want gigabytes. We want to know how many pages. So I am going to cancel out gigabytes. So we need to bring some knowledge with us. A giga means a billion. In other words, 1 gigabyte is the same as a billion bytes. Now that I've written it like this, you can see that we have on the top and bottom, what we have is gigabytes, meaning the gigabytes would cancel out. But I still don't want bytes. I want pages of text. So I need to convert those bytes into something more useful, which in our problem it says 1 character is 1 byte. So that's actually just a unit conversion. It doesn't really change the numbers, but it does give us characters. Now, how many characters are on a page? We have that in the problem. It says there are 2,000 characters on a page. And notice that every time I have something on the top and on the bottom, I can cancel it out. I can simplify that. Now I'm left with 1 page and 1 tablet. So I'm left with page and tablet. Those are the only units left over, but I also have numbers. So what we have to do now is we're going to multiply the numbers across. We're going to multiply the numbers on the top and divide by the numbers on the bottom. If we do that, it'll give us our pages per tablet because we have page on top and tablet on the bottom. When I crunch those numbers, I get 11 million pages on 1 tablet. That's pretty good, but let's answer part B. Part B, how many 500-page books can a tablet hold? So I'm going to start with that 11 million pages on the tablet, and I know that each book, 1 book, is 500 pages. And I notice now that I have pages on the top, pages on the bottom, meaning I'm left with book and tablet. So I just need to multiply those together, and it'll tell me how many books per tablet, and multiply the numbers on the top and divide by the number on the bottom. And so I get 22,500-page books on this tablet. And that's how we do this dimensional analysis, by focusing on the units and then multiplying, dividing when we're done.